Hello. So we purchased this shed a couple weeks ago and we built this bench in the back. This is going to be our workshop shed. And today we are building some shelves to go over here. And we're going to organize this place. As you can see, it is quite a disaster. We just threw things in here to try to make room in our garage because our garage was getting overflown. So we needed to get some stuff out. So we now have a workshop shed, wood shed, and a garden shed. And I'll show you that in another video. So stay tuned and watch how we build our shelves and organize this workshop. I started cutting the pieces and we're going to make 6 shelves. So like I said, we're going to build 6 shelves. So I'm going to mark where we are going to put the shelves. We are trying to use as little material as possible. So this way we build the shed, the way we build the shelves might be a little different than what you would think. I'm a little wider. Maybe we should go 10 inches in between. So we can go a little lower. I do want tall space here, maybe to slide stuff under, but it doesn't. That's probably too tall. So let's go with 10 inches between each. Now we're going to mark all the other lines as well. Doesn't matter which way it goes or not. I can't really see, so I'm gonna have to have your eyes.
Well, I can't really see either.
Maybe we don't do the top one.
Okay, let's go down. I'm just do a mark. You should just do a line. You should put the level on it now. We're just gonna go by the marks.
We'll go by the marks.
It's gotta make sure that it's all the way towards me.
Right. Okay.
That would be equivalent right there.
I marked this, all the intervals, and we're going to put this out on the side.
So my question was about alignment.
Yep.
you know.
So this shed is a disaster, as you can see in the video that I'm sharing with you. We're going to start with, so quite some time ago we built some shelving on this side, but then we just started throwing stuff in. Now we're going to build another upper shelf here, and then we're going to do some stuff on the other side, some shelving to help take care of and put everything in a place so it has a home.
Before we put it up, I've got to connect this on the end of that shoulder. Sitting around. Like so.
Maybe this one just went out.
Or we misjudged it and we're gonna have to cut it. That's possible too. I think it needs to be cut.
You go first. I just stay with that. It's touching the line, so it's good. Support for the shelf, going all the way around. I'll probably have to do something in the center.
We're definitely gonna do something else if you want this to be one whole piece.
Put this middle support right above the middle support we had down here, so it should give it good stability. Hold on, I'm gonna have to do this left-handed.
It's a problem to me.
Down just a tad. A little more.
Because I should have moved it over more, but it works.
Well, everything except for the ladder and the lawnmower is put away. Yay, we did it. Everything has a nice place. We can find things so much easier now. We can walk through here. Oh, so much better. Show you some video footage of what this space looks like completely. I hope you have a great project that you're gonna do some organizing. Organizing is the best thing to do, isn't it? It makes you feel so good when everything is put away and nice and neat, or at least it does me. Some people like things all over the place and they know exactly where it is. I like things in its place, and then it's a lot easier to find. Good luck in your next project, and see you in the next video. If you find my videos useful or entertaining, please click like and subscribe. Thank you.